So here's our bedroom. This is the wall where I heard the fire climbing through the wall. And last time I was here, there was literally no roof. Like nothing. The house was gone. At least you can see some bones. And I don't think we're gonna go back till it's like done.
No, let's
Done.
Let's stay down here for a bit.
We're gonna stay down here. It was not fun. But we wanted to share it with you guys because you're so kind and you've shared so much with us in your thoughts and your prayers and your very beautiful, very open and honest letters. Thank you for letting us into your lives and trusting us. And we'll let you know when it's a lot closer there, because I don't think we're gonna go back immediately.